You are about to embark on a rare journey through Dominica's lush rainforests, the largest remaining oceanic rainforest in the Caribbean. Dominica is a nature island of the Caribbean. Much of this mountainous island is covered with oceanic rainforests, waterfalls, and rivers. Fiercely possessive and proud of this treasure, the country ensured long ago that 2/3 of Dominica's rainforest is protected by law, ensuring that it will remain a haven for Dominicans and visitors alike. The Rain Forest Aerial Tram will take you to the edge of the Mont Wapiton National Park. The park is home to the world's second largest boiling lake, several freshwater lakes, towering waterfalls. The Mont Wapiton's National Park was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1998, endowing official recognition of the park as a natural environment of unique biodiversity and unspoiled natural wonders. In keeping with the conservation and sustainable development objectives of Dominica, the Nature Isle, the Rainforest Aerial Tram was built with extreme sensitivity to minimizing environmental impact. A footpath was built, including the magnificent suspension bridge. The large poles were lowered in by helicopter, sparing the ground from the impact of building a road. Until now, the upper reaches of the rainforest canopy were only accessible to scientists with special equipment.
Flowers are up here, and the butterflies are up here, and also the birds are up here because the flowers and the seeds are up here too. So if you really want to experience the rainforest in all of its glory, you really have to get up in the canopy, and here we are.
The Rainforest Tram will carry you to a height of 300 feet across the Breakfast River, a silent glide over tops of hardwood rainforest trees.
Oh yeah, it is.
That was the largest of the 4 species, and that was the purple-throated carib.
While you are on the Rainforest Aerial Tram, it is important to stay as quiet as possible, speaking softly, in order not to disturb the wildlife living nearby.
Dominica's forests are very special forests because they are hurricane adapted and they're oceanic forests. And this means that these forests have never been in contact with land. The island's never been in contact with the mainland. Like any of the forest species, trees and plants that come here in the island have to be brought in by bats or birds, something that can fly over the waters to bring them here. Most of the tree species that you're going to see in the tram forest are actually attractive to bats and birds, and there's specialty food for them. The birds actually brought the food that they needed to the island that they're going to colonize. But you get a unique diversity of plant species that have a lot of food and berries and things on them. Dominica's forest is also a hurricane-adapted forest, and this means that the forest has been groomed and pruned over centuries to withstand the winds of high-level hurricanes. And this requires specialized adaptation. So the birds and bats may have brought over a whole wealth of species, but only some of them are going to be able to survive the high winds of a hurricane. And what we'll see through this forest is an amazing collection of plants that have incredible strength and diversity to be able to handle the high winds and storms. It's a euterpe species. It's a mountain palm in higher elevation forests in Dominica, in the montane forests. And these are the prop roots. And you'll notice that there's a red color to them, and a lot of them don't actually touch the ground. And that's because they're used for gas exchange also. The red color would also indicate the gas exchange. In very, very wet environments like Dominica, where we can get over, well, at least up to 400 inches of rain in a year, these trees need to find a way of exchanging their gas without getting flooded with water. And so they make aerial roots. They also catch nutrients from the air as the rain falls down the trunk, and these roots will capture the little nutrients that are available in the whole forest.
Hey folks, parrots, 2 of them. Can you see them? Really pretty. Yeah, they are jackals. I could see that yellow tail. Wow, look at that red on the wings. Can you see that?
Oh, they're gorgeous.
Wow. Oh, beautiful.
Welcome to the base station of the Rain Forest Aerial Tram. These are some of the young Dominicans who hold the key to protecting the island's natural environment into the future.
Do you know what a hummingbird is? Yes, you do. That's great.
Our free educational programs, which you have helped to support, start with our youth, who learn firsthand how important Dominica's natural environment is to our survival on this fragile planet. A portion of your ticket purchase and the sales of our many rainforest items from our gift shop go towards continuing these educational programs. The Rainforest Aerial Tram is part of the Green Globe 21 program, which measures sustainable practices in travel and tourism. Dominica is striving to be the first Green Globe 21 certified country in the world.
Keep it clean. Keep it green for our future.
Please take only pictures and leave only footprints. Thank you for not smoking anywhere on our property. And please do come again